Hello everybody, I am Fabi Makeup, and today we're gonna switch things up and create a look where the lips are the stars of the show. In the spirit of fall and the holidays coming, how about rocking a red bold lip? Even better, instead of limiting a red lipstick to nighttime activities, how about something that works for daytime wear? I thought that would be a really good idea because I hardly ever wear red lipstick, whether it's daytime or nighttime. But whenever I see someone during the day wearing a red lipstick, it reminds me, man, I really should do it more often. That's what I was going for with this lip color. We're gonna keep things very casual by keeping the makeup very simple. Most of the products I'll be using are from Rare Beauty because when I think of a fresh face of makeup, Rare Beauty is one of the first brands that comes to mind. Yesterday I was browsing the Rare Beauty website and it said that this is Selena's go-to shade. So that's pretty cool. Let's get started. I'm starting with the Pore Diffusing Primer, putting it only on one side of the face because I want to see really how much of a difference it makes. At the end, when the makeup is all done, I'll show a close-up to see whether there's a difference between one side of the face and the other. By the way, I'm doing a voiceover because when I recorded this video, I forgot to turn my mic on. But don't worry, it's only a few seconds and the sound will come back on. Since this look is more of a lightweight daytime kind of thing, I'm using the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. I like that it has SPF 20. I have it in the shade 30N. And I'm gonna use our brush to start blending it in. This brush is doing a great job blending things out. Now onto the concealer. This is again from Rare Beauty in the shade 230N. It's described as a medium coverage, hydrating concealer with a radiant finish. And I'm gonna blend it out with my sponge. And I'm also bringing it up to the lids to act as a primer for the eyeshadow. For bronzer, I'm using Rare Beauty's bronzing stick in Happy Soul. And I'm going to use the same brush to blend, the same brush that I used for the foundation. For blush, I want a color that goes well with a red lip. So I think I'm gonna go with a neutral pink. My logic is, let's use a shade that looks natural on my skin tone rather than going for a, let's say, a burgundy or a coral, which would compete with the red lips. And I'm gonna use the same brush to blend it out. I already wiped it off. I'm bringing it here on the top of my nose as well. Let's go ahead and bring it here on the eyelids very lightly. There's almost nothing on the brush right now. Now I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter to the high points of the face. This is called the Liquid Luminizer and it's in shade Mesmerize, which according to the Sephora website is a rose bronze. Can't really tell. It comes in 8 shades. Yeah, I totally see it. Wow, this is gorgeous. That mix of rose and bronze is super flattering. I'm really liking the amount of sheen that it gives. Zero glitter. Super pretty. Now I'm gonna set the face with powder real quick. If you're enjoying this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Before I start setting the face with the powder, I'm buffing out the creases of the concealer that has collected in my lines. All right, everything looks nice and smooth. And I'm using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Powder. This is a banana powder. Yeah, it's a banana powder with a matte finish. I'm glad I'm using this powder because I think I've only used it once. So I'm glad to be using it again. And this is a Sigma F67 Skin Perfector brush. I like it because it has a pointy shape, even though it's flat and pointy. So it makes it easy to get in those hard to get areas under the eye. And then I'm gonna grab a fluffier brush to set the rest of the face. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I wanted to try this cute little e.l.f. palette in the shade Cream and Sugar. The eye is gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna get started by swiping this light color all over the lid. Now with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm gonna grab the darkest shade and let's see how well they blend. I'm gonna swipe it along the crease just to give it some definition. Wow, I'm surprised. This is really blendable. And I'm pretty sure they retail for $3. That's incredible. I need to get me some more e.l.f. palettes. Wow, look how easy it blends. Now again, with the same brush, but using the darkest shade, I'm going to pack it here on the outer portion of the eye. I'm also using their mascara. Let's do a second coat. And for the lips, this is the bright red we're going with. It's the shade Inspire, and this is a lip souffle. They describe it as an airy whipped cream formula with a velvety matte finish. Lips feel comfortable all day. I'm very curious to see if that's the case, being that this is matte. Also, I don't have a lip liner to match this color, so let's hope that we don't need one at all. Wow, this is bright. Feels good. It does feel so lightweight. Wow, I can't believe this is a matte formula. No lip liner needed. I feel that something looks a little strange. I don't know if it's just that I'm not used to wearing such a bright color on my lips, or if it just doesn't go with my skin tone. What do you think it is? Do you think it goes with my skin tone? I'm not sure. Yeah, it could totally be that I'm not used to this color. But I want to be. You know, this is really fun. I really should wear red more often. Lovely. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you think. So now that we're done, let's do a close-up and see whether the primer is helping me out with the pores. Primer's on this side. Let me see. What do I think? I don't see a difference. Nope, I don't see a visible difference. So I would say that you're safe to pass on this primer if you were wanting the pore filling properties of it. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked this look. I hope you come back and hang out with me in the next video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you get notified of all of my future uploads. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.